In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Snapchat group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Snapchat app, then right here tap add to that chats icon to open up your chats list, and then first off just get into some group conversation that you want to remove. Once you did that, tap at the very top add to that conversation name, then hit add to that three dots and select leave group. Now it says that leaving this group chat will also remove you from its story, snaps and chats you've sent will be cleared, and any charms you've hidden will be restored. All we have to do now is just hit add leave, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.